Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All the Smoke. As you see, we've got another episode here of
SteakHouse.
SteakHouse indeed. Hold on, what's your name?
Kenya.
Kenya what?
Kitaka.
Kenya Kitaka. Who are you?
My dad's still telling.
Oh, I like that. Okay, so today guys, we are tenderizing. We are doing an experiment. We have 4 ingredients we're going to be hitting these steaks with, starting with
Papaya.
I like that.
Sirloin pepper.
What?
Pineapple.
And
The good old hammer.
the good old hammer. As you see, we've got 2 steaks. We're going to cut them in half, hit each one with one of these, and we're going to see what happens after that. Tenderizing experiment. Kenya, are you ready?
Yep, Daddy. Are you ready?
Damn right.
Are they ready on the camera?
I hope they are. Okay, let's
Do this.
Before we jump into the next video, I would love to take this opportunity to shout out the video sponsor, Distributed. Distributed is a tech-enabled startup founded on the belief that businesses of the future will thrive without the need for technical development teams in-house. Using the Distributed platform, clients can work with fully managed, globally distributed teams as easily as local teams, allowing you to build and maintain software faster, safer, with more visibility than ever before. If you are in the market, follow the link in the description below and make your way over to the estimation page. Here you can submit useful project details and in as little as 5 minutes get a response back on next steps. Thank you.
So, as you see, my steaks are currently still backpacked. If you haven't seen my video of how I do this, go check that out. I'll link it in the video. We're gonna cut each one in half. We're gonna take half of the pineapple. We're gonna take two papayas. We're gonna blitz the half. We're gonna blitz these 2 together. And then we're gonna come back with the steaks already out of the backpack and cleaned. And we are gonna mix it all together, put them in some vaccine. Probably we're not gonna use a vaccine. We're gonna use standard bags, freezer bags. Yeah, Kenya, I mean, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yep, I'm excited.
Yeah, you want to eat some of this meat?
Yep.
Are you sure?
It'll be so nice and so sweet.
Okay, I'm down.
And we'll see which one of the steaks tastes nice.
Okay, which one do you think is going to taste the best? The pineapple or the papaya or the salt?
Maybe the pineapple.
Okay, I'm actually a pineapple fan, so I think it's also going to be the pineapple. You see, so let's see how it goes, okay?
Yeah. Hey guys, we're back.
We're back. So we managed to blitz two, actually that's the 1 papaya in the end, not even 2. Pineapple blitzed.
Yeah.
Everything, literally, we don't take the skin off, we use the entire thing. We blitz it because a lot of the enzymes, really the reason we're using these 2, I actually forgot to mention, is a lot of the enzymes that are in papaya and both pineapple are used to break down protein, or can be used to break down protein. So they do good with things like tenderizing the meat, essentially. So we're gonna find out, see how useful it is. Kenya said she's looking forward to the pineapple one, right?
Yeah.
I am looking also forward to the pineapple one. It'll be interesting to see what papaya and the salt and pepper does, and the good old hammer. So we're gonna cut these in half, put them in a Ziploc bag.
Yep.
You're gonna help me put the papaya mix.
Yeah.
We've got the spoon for that. You're gonna help me put the pineapple mix as well.
Yeah, the pineapple.
And the salt and pepper. So maybe we should start with the salt and pepper first. Yeah? So I'll do the cutting because it's, gotta be sharp. Good girl. That's a good girl. And then I'll bag them pretty nicely. That's a good cut.
And I can do
The salt and pepper.
Yeah,
I'm up for that. Okay.
And I can do the good old hammer.
Oh, I like that. So do a soft mix softly. Show them on the screen how you're mixing softly. Okay. And what are you doing? You should tell them what you're doing while you're doing it.
I am creating the chicken.
Is this chicken?
No,
Exactly, it's meat.
I'm creating the meat.
You're mixing the meat
Mixing the
with the marinade.
marinade.
Can we call that marinade? I think we can. As you can see, it's completely disappeared, guys.
Hi guys, we're back.
We are back. As you see, these guys have been sitting here for an hour. Kenya?
Yeah.
Kenya's been bugging me about getting it ready and cooking it. She's too hungry. She wants to taste this. You're so greedy.
No,
Okay, so as you remember, we've got pineapple, papaya, salt and pepper, and just the good old hammer. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go wash these guys real quick,
Yeah.
and we're gonna take everything out of the Ziploc bags, put them on the grater,
Yeah.
bring the cast iron.
Let it cook first, then you can eat it.
That's what I'm talking about, yeah? So we're gonna cook it on the cast iron, and then we're gonna eat it,
Eat it all up.
yeah?
But we're gonna say something face.
We're gonna say something for Grace. Who's Grace?
My auntie.
Oh my gosh. Okay. We just finished washing them, as you see. I mean, these enzymes are doing work. Apparently, even after you wash them, the enzymes are still doing work. So we're gonna get these cooking really quick. In fact, if you leave pineapple and papaya for more than 24 hours, apparently it just turns it into like minced meat. You know the deal, guys. We've got the cast iron. We've got the butter. I've got quite a bit there. We've got, what's that thing now? Garlic.
The garlic,
Pineapple, no, garlic, coriander, no, garlic, rosemary,
rosemary,
and thyme.
thyme.
That's it. Keep it simple.
That's
So we are ready to hit it. Oh, actually we forgot. We're gonna add the salt and pepper to this one. So remember what we're doing. The idea here is to tenderize, right? So this has been tenderized with the hammer, but we're gonna add salt and pepper right now in the last minute. Ideally, just a little quick hit on both sides. Don't worry. Let's get cooking.
Yeah, that's what we should do.
Well, what we do first is wait for it to get hot. And then when it's hot, we put a little bit of oil. Then we put all the steaks on.
So who can do the oil?
You can do oil.
Okay.
Nice good stuff.
Yeah.
So you do a little bit of the oil. And then we'll get it to sit for about a minute
Yeah.
on each side.
Yeah.
And then we'll start adding the butter and the garlic. You really like the garlic, you keep smelling it. You really like it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, okay. So let's fast track this for you guys. Get this hot, get the steaks on, and we'll be back.
We'll do that.
We're back again. Alright guys, as you saw, we cooked, we seared, Kenya helped. Now it's the taste test.
Taste.
The first time you're in the camera for this. If you're gonna like it,
Yeah, I like it.
okay. But what?
What best meat will taste better?
Oh, we'll find out. We'll find out which one tastes better. So just as a reminder, pineapple, papaya. This was the hammered one,
Yeah.
and that's the salt and pepper. Well, this is salt and pepper as well, but that was hammered. This one is hammered. But look at this guy. This is pineapple. Pineapple shredded. So you can see pineapple really.
Yeah, because I'm just tasting right now.
Slow down. Let's first explain what we're about to do.
Okay.
So as you see, pineapple really broke down the meat. Papaya not so. We're gonna taste it right now because Kenya's just too excited, and then we'll be able to tell you which one is best. So I'm gonna cut a little piece from all of them.
Yes.
And then you're going to tell me which one is better.
Can't even taste it.
We're getting there, Kenya. We're getting there. Alright, so one of them are a bit medium except for papaya. So can you go for the first test? I'm going to give you some. We can the camera let them know how it tastes. Oh, nice. How did it taste? Perfect?
Yeah.
Alright, so for me, definitely tender. Remember, we didn't hit these with any salt and pepper. We just left them as is. Taste and tenderness. So definitely tender. I like that. Dried pineapple. Pineapple is like the most tender. I can really see it. Taste that, Ken? Any? No, come on, you taste it. If you don't like anything, it's on the plate. Right? And what do you think about that one? Is it soft or hard?
Soft.
Soft?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
And it tastes sweet?
Yeah.
It tastes sweet?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's interesting. Alright. Now we're gonna go for the good old salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Have you finished?
Yeah.
Ready for the next one?
Second step.
Salt and pepper. Why are you closing your eyes? Do you like it? Just eat all of it. I mean, salt and pepper is pretty tender.
Yes, sir.
It's a bit tender.
Yeah, it's perfect. That yeah.
You think it's perfect?
Yeah.
And this one's a bit bloody. I don't know if you're gonna like this one, but this is. It's nice. The mum wouldn't want you to eat this one. It's too red for you. Yeah.
You're lying.
It is too bloody. Your mum will let me eat this. So I'm gonna taste it. Okay, so just to let you have an extra taste, here's pineapple. Okay, so tell me, or tell them, which one was your best one? Pineapple, papaya, salt, or hammer? Louder?
Maybe the little hammer.
That's your best one?
Yeah.
Definitely the best one, I think, was salt and pepper. I think if we hit it with the salt and pepper, pineapple. I think if we hit it with salt and pepper, it would have been even better. Because we were just testing for tenderness, we didn't want to hit those with salt and pepper. But overall, I think salt and pepper, pineapple is the most tenderized, but I just love me some salt and pepper. Next time we'll probably try hit it with pineapple and add some salt and pepper just for flavoring.
Salt and pepper is good.
Yeah, it's good?
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you for joining us on our show today with my guest Kenya Kitaka. And hopefully you guys enjoyed that episode. Hopefully she brought you guys some laughs. If you guys want her back, comment below, let me know. And yeah, on to the next one. Thank you. What do you want to say to everybody?
Thank you.
And bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Alright, over and out.